Alright, so taking a look at the box, we have just a nice, simple design. We have specifications on the back. So we're going to go ahead and open the box. It's a little bit of a struggle. Hold on. There we go. So here we go. These retail for $42.99. I believe they're on sale for like $30 on Amazon. So we're going to be giving you an honest review. So here are the earbuds themselves. These have Bluetooth 5.0. We're going to see what else is in the packaging. So we have a micro USB cable as well as a user manual. We don't need either of those today. Sorry for the ear rape. Alright, so here are the earbuds. They have a nice indication light. As you can see, they are white and they indicate orange. When they are fully charged, they indicate white when the earbuds are fully charged. So you have an indication on the bottom as well, an orange light to know that they are charging, which is very nice that they have two indications. Taking a look at the Apple's AirPods. I've been using these for a few days now, testing them out. Both of these, I've been testing them out for a few days continuously. And now it's time for the honest review of both of these. So, which one is more comfortable? Definitely these ones. Yep, Anturson T12 is way more comfortable. The one that has more bass, I couldn't decide what really, but I gotta say the AirPods by a little bit. But these have really good bass. The sound quality, this has good bass, clear sound. This has rich bass, clear sound. These fall out of your ears a lot. They are not that comfortable. They're pretty lightweight. These ones are really lightweight. They're really comfortable. They have good sound quality and good bass. So yeah, it has a strong magnet in there as well. These ones, same thing. So here are the earbuds themselves. They are marked left and right, as you can see. And they have the charging prongs on the bottom. You have a microphone right here for calling. You have a speaker for bass and a speaker for the sound. You have another microphone right here and a sensor, a microphone and a button for play and pause. And then on this side you have another microphone. You have the right and charging prongs as well as the same thing. So these are really comfortable. Like I said, they have a 30 milliamp for each earbud. I don't know about Apple's AirPod, the Apple AirPods, but yeah, these aren't supposed to be clones, by the way. So as you can see, you can tell the difference. These are a little bit bigger. These are flat on the top, but they look nice. Both of them look nice. So as you can see, very nice flush case. These charge in about 4 hours fully. These charge about 3 hours fully. They last a very long time. These would last around 4 hours. These last around 4 hours as well. With the case, it lasts for about a full day of charge. These last about 17 hours to 18. So you have a little bit almost the same battery capacity. Sound quality is pretty good. The price, you're getting a pretty good steal for this. This is really good. For 40 bucks, you're getting a really good deal. Really good sound quality. I would do a mic test. I was trying to do a mic test earlier. I recorded this video, but it didn't turn out good, so I wasn't able to do it. But anyways, the charging is really good. When you connect them for the first time, they connect very fast. You just have to do it a few times. I had to tamper with it a few times, but then once you get it, you'll never have to worry about them ever again. I found they turn on and pair faster than the AirPods, which is really surprising. I'm not being biased here. I'm actually being truthful. These connected as soon, probably before I put them in my ears. These connect in about less than 5 seconds. These connected literally like instantly. This has Bluetooth 5.0. I don't know what the generation of Bluetooth on this is, but I found that this one isn't as fast as this one when connecting. I don't know if that's an issue or a problem for you guys, but it is just one thing to note if you're looking for something that pairs fast. So that was very convenient. For carrying capabilities, I believe the AirPods are a little bit better because they're smaller. As you can see, I can wrap my full fist around it. This one, yeah, I can do as well, but it's really small. Both of them are very small. You already guys know what AirPods look like. As you can see, yeah, so pretty good overall. Really good product. Highly recommend it. It's on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description like always. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.